Hi, and welcome to December. Your opener prompts for the month of December are all based on the idea of disguising things. So the idea came from a couple different students and an artist that I really like named Estee McLeod. And the idea of disguising or Desguisember is to hide words in your artwork. This is a piece of her artwork that started out as her writing the words, "Tell me a story." And then she flipped the words upside down and added lots of flowers. And that's how she came up with this design. And if you look really, really carefully, you can kind of see the cursive S and the T. The center of that flower is an O. But if you didn't know, you would not naturally pick out the words, "Tell me a story" in this image. So that's what you're going to do. And you can go on YouTube and look for Estee McLeod's letter drawings. These are the words we're going to use. And you can make your drawings reflect those words or not. So for instance, on the 4th of December, you have the word art. You can turn the word art into all sorts of art supplies, or you can just turn it into whatever else you want, as long as it is appropriate for school. Estee McLeod likes flowers and animals, so often hers are like this. So you can see here that at the end of this video, she turned this into birds, but at the beginning, it was the word birds. So you can make it go together like that, but you don't have to. Every day that we have art class, you will just hide the word of the day inside of your drawing and see how good you can get at disguising those words.